Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back guys. I know it's been a while. It's been a minute. It's been
a big minute.
Today I'm going to be trying something new. So here I have my shoes. They're really dirty. I know we're gonna clean them together. But I'm going to be trying out this solar dust. It's supposed to make your shoes change color. It's some kind of dust that you can spray onto your shoe. I bought multiple supplies because I've been wanting to do this for a while and I never do anything that I want to do. So I'm gonna do it now because I want to and I should. So I can just apply this onto my shoes, but first I need to get everything that I need. So I got this Angelus Too Thin. It's supposed to thin out acrylic paints. I have this, and then I got this neutral. It can just mix with any color and it'll be that color. So like this is, I'm gonna mix this with the dust because you cannot paint on dust. You need to make it into a paint. So this will be mixed with that and then I can paint it on my shoe. I also bought this sprayer, which I'm gonna use to spray on my shoes. I just have this thing. You just put the paint in here and then you can just spray it on like spray paint. So that's what we're going to be doing today. But first, my shoes are very dirty and slimy, as you can see. So we're gonna clean them. I'm just gonna take off my laces, and I just have this Jason Mark shoe cleaner that I'm gonna use. I didn't introduce myself in the beginning for anybody who doesn't know. If you're new here in this little channel that I have, my name's Samantha, and I think this is like my 5th video I've been making. It's been a little while since I've been on here, I guess. I guess that's really all I had to say. I'm back. So I'm gonna be using the neutral acrylic leather paint and the Too Thin. And then I'm also going to use this sprayer. So you can just unhook this. I'm going to be filling it up to the 3rd line. Then I'm going to be using the powder. Then using my little shovels, I'm just going to be adding, I think like 3. I'm just going to add this now. I'm back. Before we spray on the paint, first we have to prep the shoe with the leather preparer that I got in this little kit. This is supposed to remove the factory finish from the shoe that they add in the factory. Then I'm just gonna wipe it down like this. Now we can spray, what you all have been waiting for. But first, I need to spray this box to see if it goes on. Nothing's happening. Okay, I'm just gonna spray my shoe because I don't know. I know that this is supposed to be colorless, so that's probably why I'm not seeing anything on the box. Okay, I finally finished. I painted both of the sides from both of the shoes. there was one issue. I had watched a tutorial of this person that was doing it, right? Doing the tutorial, and I did everything that she did. The only mistake that she put in the video was her shaking this little can together, and you're not supposed to even shake it while the paint is on the bottom. So if you ever try to do it, do not shake it, because it literally says here, never shake sprayer when product container is attached to the sprayer. And this girl shook it, so I thought like, oh, let me shake it before I spray it. And I think that's what messed it up. But luckily, like, I was just like, I just let it stand here for a little bit, and then I tried it again, and it did apply. So I'm just gonna let it sit here for a little bit. I hope that I didn't put too much, because I kept trying, you know, over and over, and hopefully it comes out okay. And then when it's dry, I'll just come back to you guys. So I'll see you back again in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm back a day later because these needed time to dry. They didn't dry on the same days, and because I had a little situation on one of the shoes. I had to like remove the paint and then do it over again because that one was just really bad. It was the shoe that I kept spraying over and over, and like I said earlier, I hope that I didn't put too much because I kept trying, you know, over and over. So I had to take it off and then do it again. So that one's still drying right now because I barely did it. But we have this one. I put it in the freezer, so this is how it looks right now. So I have my blow dryer here, and I'm just gonna, you know, do the thing. So I completely took off all the tape. I did go over it a few times, and I don't know if you can tell, like you can tell that there's like a layer there of something. Like it's not the same color as the actual shoe. It's a little bit, like you can just tell that it's not white, you get me? Like it's not a big difference, it's whatever, but it's a little noticeable. That's all I wanted to show you. That's what I wanted to try out. I just thought it was pretty cool to do, and I've always liked shoes. I want to try practicing. That's why I bought the paint also. I'm not gonna paint these shoes, but yeah, this is something that I'm interested in, and hopefully it works out for me. So wish me luck, you guys. If you're new, I hope that you like this video and that you learned something from me. Just subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do. And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. That won't be a month later, I promise. Bye, you guys.